Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to change oil Honda Pilot 2006. Begin by warming the engine for a few minutes, then secure the vehicle with the parking brake and wheel chocks. Always wear gloves and eye protection, and make sure you have a proper drain pan under the oil pan. Use a jack and stands for safe access, and keep a clean workspace so you can quickly replace the filter and oil. With the vehicle securely supported and the drain pan in place, remove the oil fill cap to help oil drain faster. Carefully loosen the drain plug using the correct socket and allow the oil to empty completely into the pan. Once the flow slows to an occasional drip, clean the plug and replace the washer if needed before reinstalling the plug and torquing it to the specified value. After draining, remove the old oil filter and check the mounting surface for debris. Lightly coat the new filter gasket with fresh oil and thread the filter on by hand until snug. Do not over-tighten. Refill the engine with the recommended oil type and the proper capacity, then start the engine for a minute to circulate oil and check for leaks. Finish by verifying the oil level on the dipstick and cleaning up spills.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.